Okay, now that you have a Google Docs account, you are going to be in the document part here. You're in Google Docs, and I would like you to click on Create, because you're going to be creating, and not just a document, but you are going to be creating for me a presentation. So click on Presentation. Okay, and you will come up with something like this. Now, if you want a blank presentation, you would have, I'm trying to look at your slide choices. See, that's what I don't get. Okay, so let's say you want a different slide layout. This is where I wanted to go. So you wanted a blank slide for your first one, and you've got 3 slides here. That's what I'd like you to have. Now, for your first slide, and I'll just show you an example of what I did, I took this is my first slide. I took an image of a braid, which I had you go through before already, finding an image on Flickr with Creative Commons. And I would like you to write down the theme that you're talking about. In my case, it's Questioning Authority. And the book that you chose to read, I'm modeling The Giver by Lois Lowry. And what genre it is. In this case, it's dystopian. So the next slide features a quote that is going to actually bring that theme out and represent that theme. So it actually could be a whole passage. In my case, it's about 3 paragraphs, really. And he was started to question authority in this point in the book when he was looking at books, and he was wondering about if there would be rules beyond the rules that govern the community. So that's the quote I chose to represent that theme. And then finally, I'd like you to make connections. And I want you to have an image on each slide. So find an image on Creative Commons. This is a personal connection. And this one would be questions that have to deal with the world. How does this novel deal, that theme in the novel address the world and the way we live in it? And then another text that you can think of, either classic or contemporary, that connects with your chosen novel so that you could pair it up in class. So now I want to go back to your document that you're creating. And I'd like you to go ahead and add your 3 slides and start editing the first one by adding images and doing all of the things you needed to do. So have a fun time doing your thematic braiding.